Hello everybody, welcome to a new video of Alignment Health. Ever wondered what it takes to achieve a stronger, more muscular physique? Welcome to the world of strength training, a crucial component of any well-rounded fitness program. It's not just about bulging biceps and washboard abs. Strength training enhances your overall health, improves bone density, and boosts your metabolism. Despite popular belief, it's not about lifting the heaviest weights, but rather about consistency and proper form. Debunking these misconceptions opens up a new perspective on fitness. So are you ready to start your journey towards a stronger you? Understanding the basics is the first step towards a successful strength training regimen. Diving right in, let's discuss the fundamental principles, the cornerstone of your journey towards strength. Firstly, progressive overload. This is the practice of gradually increasing the amount of stress placed upon the body during training. This could mean increasing the weight, repetitions, or sets you're doing. It's a crucial principle for stimulating muscle growth and strength gains. Next up, proper form. This isn't just about looking good in the gym mirror. It's about executing each exercise correctly to target the intended muscle groups and prevent injuries. Consistency, another key principle, is about sticking to your workout routine. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your strength. Lastly, recovery. Giving your body ample time to rest and repair is just as important as the workout itself. Strength training exercises can be broadly categorized into bodyweight exercises, free weights, and machine exercises. Remember, mastering the basics is key to preventing injuries and ensuring effective workouts. If you liked the video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe if you are interested in this type of content. Starting strength training might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Let's break this down into easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, choosing the right exercises is crucial. You want to focus on compound movements that work multiple muscle groups at once, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. These exercises not only build strength but also promote functional fitness, helping you perform everyday activities with ease. Next, determining the appropriate weight and rep range is a balancing act. Even as a beginner, the goal is to lift heavy. Focus on sets of 1 to 6 reps, 1 rep being the 1 rep max, up to 6 reps being 80% of your 1 rep max. Now let's talk about structuring a workout routine. A full body routine performed 3 times a week is a great starting point. This should include a couple of exercises for each major muscle group, allowing ample time for rest and recovery between workouts. Maintaining motivation is often one of the biggest hurdles. Keep your goals realistic and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, consistency is key in strength training. Lastly, it's essential to track your progress. This not only keeps you motivated, but also helps you identify areas where you might need to tweak your routine. So don't let the idea of strength training intimidate you. With these steps, you can start strength training confidently and safely. Avoiding common pitfalls can make your strength training journey smoother and more rewarding. Now let's take a moment to discuss some of the most common mistakes beginners often make in strength training. First up, lifting too heavy too soon. It's understandable to be eager and want to see results quickly, but remember, slow and steady wins the race. Gradually increase your weights to prevent injuries and ensure proper muscle development. Next, neglecting form. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting them correctly. A wrong form can lead to injuries and less effective workouts. So always prioritize your form over the amount of weight. Lastly, not allowing enough recovery time. Your muscles need time to heal and grow stronger. Overtraining can lead to fatigue and diminish your progress. So ensure you're giving your body ample rest between workouts. By steering clear of these mistakes, you can maximize your gains and minimize your risk of injury. Let's recap what we've learned about effective strength training. We started off with the basics, exploring what strength training is all about. It's not just about lifting weights, but also about building endurance, boosting metabolism, and improving overall health. Then we dived into how to kickstart your strength training journey. We emphasized the importance of setting realistic goals, creating a balanced routine, and progressively increasing the intensity of your workouts. Remember to always listen to your body and adjust your workouts accordingly. Next, we highlighted some common pitfalls to avoid. Overtraining, neglecting proper form, and skipping warm-ups or cool-downs can all put a damper on your progress and even lead to injuries. So it's essential that you avoid these mistakes to make the most out of your strength training. Remember, strength training is a journey, not a race. Take your time, stay consistent, and you'll see progress before you know it. Here's to a stronger you. If you liked the video and you have not subscribed, please subscribe if you are interested in this type of content. Thanks for joining us once again. See you in the next video.